Hello viewers, welcome to Computer Tips and Tricks by Soumen in this channel. Today I came back with a new video. This is a very essential video for you. In this video I am going to show you about the 3D way of take screenshot. You can send it many other by don't save it. If you want to save it, you can also save it. If you want to edit, you can edit. So let's start the video. For this, about a sample, I want to take a screenshot this space. You have to press print screen on this keyboard, beside F12 button, print screen. Then I press print screen and I want to send it with my friends like here. Press Ctrl+V. Here you can see this is here. I can send it. You can see that I am sending the photo by don't save. If you want to edit this, click on search bar and then print P. There you can see print 3D app new. You have to press Ctrl+V. If you want to edit the file, you can edit the file from here. I want to corrupt this file. Only select the file. You can see the file and then press enter. Okay, I want to save it. From here, save as your name. I save hello. Save it. From here you can see F L. You can see here it is follower PNG. You can see here it is the taking a screenshot picture. The other way of taking a screenshot and save it in file is I am going to see. Now I'll search like cow the picture. I want to save it in file. So for this, press Windows and then press Windows screen, print screen. I press it. Now I am going to my file option. Click here, file, then picture, then screenshot. Here you can see this is the screenshot of mine. For this you have to press Windows plus print screen. The other way of taking a screenshot is I am going to tell about you. Now I am some sample like DOG search, then here picture. I want to take this screenshot. The other way is press Windows Alt and then G. Windows Alt G. Here you can see. Click here. Take a screenshot. I'm going to file option now. For see the screenshot. Here and picture. Then screenshot file. You can see screenshot 46. Opening it. Here you can see it is saved. In this number 3 step way, you can see many problems. I think the first 2 step is right for them. It is save your time and more. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. We will come back with a new video. I hope you will be stay with me. Thank you.